Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this journal. I'll give you ideas. This box is by repurposing an old tissue box, and all of these pages are actually scrap pieces of paper that were just lying around, and I just collaged them together, put them together in a nice beautiful way and created this journal. The cover is also created by piecing together different scrap pieces of collage that I had in 2 layers, and it looks beautiful. By the way, if you want all of these beautiful printables, I have them in my free mixed media artist resource library, so you can go to the link. I will post it below. You can go there and register in that free class, and you can download all of these beautiful printables I have there. So I was actually testing out some of those prints, and those pages I have included in this art journal. Okay, now I will show you how I created this journal. So here is my tissue box, and I have cut it open on the side. I have kept one of the side, and I've cut that side also and glued one on top of each other, just to reduce the width of the spine, because I have created art journals before with a thick spine and I don't like it that fat. So this is the width that I wanted. Then here is the first layer of collage. As you can see, these are like big pieces of collage papers and all the scraps that I had. Mostly these are the beautiful printable collage that I have in the mixed media resource library, and pieced them together, tore, and these are the first layer of collage. I love the beautiful lace image, which makes it look so textured. Next, I added a few pieces of small scraps, mostly, tactile elements like laces and fabric bits, small pieces here and there. There's a little burlap piece. So I have a little scrap box of all fabric elements. So I've added that as a little bit of accents of this journal cover. So here is my cover, and I have put together some pages to form the signatures. And before I stitch it, I just wanted to give you a quick look at how I have prepared the pages and give you some ideas also. I don't want to change the signatures that I have created, so I'm just going to go one by one and show you. So this is a vintage letter, and on top of that, I have created some collaged it with some transparent tissue paper with mark making, and this is one of the acrylic dyed papers with some mark making. So just 2 pieces of collage on this one. This side is blank, so I can work on it later. So these kind of pages, I am calling them veil page, as in it's kind of like a translucent master sheet, you can say. And even this one is also something like that. So this is an old book page, and I have added tissue paper. So the reason it's called veil page, because we are using transparent papers to cover over it. So that transparent paper could be, so this is a tissue paper, this is a printed tissue paper. You can see the book pages through it. And this is also a tissue paper with some floral design on it. So both of these 2 pages are kind of like a similar concept. And this one has a flip out page. So this is another category where you can add flip outs on top of this. This one is a simple page. It's a printout of my grungy collage papers that I have in the mixed media artist library. You can go there and download it for free. So this is one of those pages. I think it was a A4 size, and I cut it into half and made it into A5, and then made this into a even smaller page, right? This one is some old paper, some experiments done, and I have folded in an uneven way. Some old painting practices, and here also I have 2 flip outs on 2 sides. This one I have added a fabric to glue this page, and here I think I have added masking tape. Okay, next, this is a very interesting page. It is called accordion fold page. So here what I've done is kind of created a accordion flip out like this by folding this page and then collaging on top of it. So this whole thing is a collage, and then I have folded it like this, and the other side is empty. I can work on this later. And there are a few more folds because I was, while trying to create the accordion, I made a few extra folds to figure out how to do this. All right, next one is a old paper. It had my 225 intentions on it, and I've collaged over it a little bit. This side is empty. This is this was an under paper on which I had done some stuff, but I think it's beautiful, especially when I add color over it, because these textures will be visible more. And then this one is a pocket page, where this is also a printout from my grungy collage papers, which you can get from the Mixed Media Resource Library, and I printed it on both sides, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. And here I've added, this was another piece of art that I had done on black paper, cut it into small size and put it as a pocket page. And this is probably some of the excess from these pages probably, and that I created as a tag and kept it inside. So this is my first signature. I could have actually done 3 signatures, but I wanted to keep little space over it. And also, while putting the signature together, I like to arrange it in this way, like, you know, putting something up, something down. So that the nesting looks kind of creative. So I spent quite some time doing all of these things because I think that's what makes it look pretty. See how I am putting it up or down is making a difference. And this front page I have selected carefully because there is a hole in my cover so that it goes with this collage on the outside. So that is my first signature. Now let's go through the second signature. Here also I have done the first page is a pocket page, and I've done some creative pockets here. So this is some scrap piece of paper, cut it and glued on these 2 sides. And this is a printout from my grungy collage master sheet PDF and printed on both the sides. And here also I've added a pocket like this. So the first one is a pocket page. This is also a pocket page done only using old book pages. And this I'm supposed to tie on the edge, but I haven't done it. So I can show it to you how I have created it. So just put 4 pages one on top of each other, folded it just to make it a little thicker, and then you fold it like this. So now once I put some tape on this side, this becomes pocket. How fun. Again, another pocket page. I love creating pocket pages because I think they are so adorable. So you can put something here and something here. So there are a lot of collages that has happened here. Collages to create pockets. All right, what is the next one? Okay, this is again a flip out page. Here I have added fabric to create the flip out. This is an under paper, and I love under papers. This is a brown paper with some mark making. So this side is all brown paper. I think I should color it black before stitching it. Yeah, I think I should do that. This is another under paper with oh, this is an envelope page. So what I have done here is attached an envelope over here. And so when it opens, you kind of like a pocket page, but using an envelope. And I haven't done anything on these. I think before stitching, I should work a little bit on these 2 pages. And this was my master sheet basically. This was some printout I had taken earlier. So I created this master sheet as in the master size of this tissue box. And then everything I made according to this one. So this was that page, and I can work on it later. And what is this inside one? This is a master sheet that I created, and I have taken a printout. So you can see all the stitches and everything. looks pretty gorgeous, and the lace looks textured, but it is actually a printout of my master sheet. So this is how my second signature looks. So you see, after I put these two signatures, there is a little bit of space extra, and that I have kept. I could have put three signatures, but then I wanted to keep some extra space because when I start working on this, I know it will start to chunk up. So once I add more textures inside, so keeping that in mind, I'm gonna leave some space on this spine. So here is the finished journal. I have stitched it up, and now let's have a look at all of these pages. Okay, I really love how it feels in my hand after stitching it all together. It's been lying loose for quite a few days. I love it. Love doing this. All right, let's have a look at the finished journal. You have already seen the pages. I haven't done any changes in the first signature. This is a very interesting page. I've never had a page like this in my art journal before. So I'm actually looking forward to working in this one. All of these pages, I'm looking forward to working in them. Okay, that's the end of signature 1, and here is the signature 2. I have rearranged it a little bit. I have put this page on the front. This was not earlier on the front. And here is that brown paper. I have colored black on the other side. Oh, I have added this page. This page was lying around. Some printable I had taken a printout a long back, and it was just lying loose. So I thought I'll do this. And here is the envelope page. I have just added some paint over this, and then this envelope just got blended into the whole page. And that tells me that next time when I add an envelope page like this, I will create the envelope first, like do whatever I want to do, and then add it so that it looks like envelope page. But this is also looking good where the envelope is kind of blended into the page. So that's it. The full flip through is done, and after I start working in it, I'll probably do another flip through and show you whatever I have done in this journal. So I hope you enjoyed this little flip through and you've got some ideas on creating your own art journal from a tissue paper box. I feel we all have so much of those boxes lying around, and it's good to put them to use, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions.